And this is my first digital SLR, Canon EOS 1000D, and in the States it's known as a Rebel XS, and I just bought it right now. Okay, I'm going to open it. I got it from here. See. And here is the box. Canon 1000D EOS. It's my first SLR digital. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, let's see. They have to open it. Wow, look at that. Wow. This is the manual, the warranty card, warranty papers, and these are some manuals over here. See. And I think this is what the lens. Just open it, see what this is. These are also manuals, you know. Let's see over here. Here are some more manuals. EOS Rebel XX. Sorry, Rebel XS. Wow, cool, huh? It is the CD. I have 3 of them. And here comes oh, the SD card, 2 GB. Here's strap, and I think this is the charging cable. Battery, and the charger. Yeah, the charge. Sorry. And this is the USB cable which we use to connect to our PC. Here comes the lens. Wow. Canon kit lens. So open it and wow, look at that. Canon. And here comes the big thing. Sorry, big thing. Canon EOS 1000D or Rebel XS body, and this is what I was waiting for. And let's stop. Let's see. It's wrapped very nicely. Here's my EOS 1000D. Wow, look at that. That, wow. What do you think, huh? EOS and so and tomorrow I'll start using this big thing, but today I'm very tired. Okay, thanks for watching.